Hey friends, this is Hafiz, and today we are going to talk about the DEF trucks. If you can look at my previous videos, we were talking about if we should bypass the DEF system or not. So you can look at that and make your choice. Today I'm gonna show you something very new, which every owner operator or the driver, they're supposed to do that or keep it with them if they are driving the DEF trucks. And it's a very handy tool. I'm gonna show you that how you can save the road service, and also you can save a lot of time. You don't have to sit at the dealers and don't have to waste a lot of money. I'm gonna show you that tool, and I'm also gonna show you how we are going to use it. The most common problem we have on the road when we're driving the DEF trucks is sometimes the trucks stop in the middle of the road of traffic and asking for regen, and sometimes you are successful to do the regen, but most of the time we have to call road service, or we may have to tow the truck to the dealer, and maybe dealers are behind like 1 or 2 weeks, and to do the same process or the procedure, they're gonna make you sit there for like a couple of weeks. And I'm just gonna show you that. And today I'm driving a 2016 trucks I just bought, and it have the DEF. And before I start driving it, I just bought this tool, and I'm just going to do the force regen, it's called. And you don't have to wait for the regen when the truck tell you to do it. So you can do it by yourself whenever you want. If you see any problem, you can do that, or without getting into the problem, you can actually do that before your trip. It's not required to do that before your trip or anything, but it's just good to have it with you if you get stuck somewhere or you cannot do the regen, and you can actually use this tool to do the force regen. So we're going to go and look at the truck. So this is 2016, and I'm going to show you how we are going to do the force regen. As you can see, the DEF level is full, and as you can see, the DEF level is full, and the temperature on this truck is 175. That's the ideal temperature you need to reach at before you start doing it. And this is a device that I ordered for $525. It says DTC AFT reset tool, and force DPF regen, and it worked with any truck from 2007 to 2016. I'm going to open the box and show you guys how it looks like. You can see the 9-pin adapter and the device. It's very simple to connect it. All you have to do is just pull this lock, connect it, you can see the cut, so make sure it matches the device. And you can slide the lock in. And that's it. The device is ready. It's just one plug and the device, and a very simple procedure. So my device is ready, and it's not connected anywhere yet. I'm just going to show you how we're gonna do it now. Alright, so the first step is to step on the brake, and then release the brake, parking brake for the truck. Pull the parking brake, and it's a manual truck, so step on the clutch and put it in any gear, and then go to neutral and step off the brake, and now you can plug in the device. And right where you have the logo, and you just hear the beep. It's connected. And now we're gonna give it like 30 seconds. Don't do anything else. Just give it 30 seconds and you will see the RPM gauge will go up. And also it's gonna start the forced regen. As you can see, the light is blinking for the regen and the RPM is rising. I'm not doing anything with the RPM. The device is connected. RPM is high. So this is gonna take about 20 minutes to 1 hour for the forced regen. If it stopped before 20 minutes, that means there is something wrong with the DPF or DEF filters, or you need to fix it. But it's gonna stop after between 20 to 60 minutes. It depends how bad it is or after how long you're doing it. So if you get stuck on the road and you cannot do the regen manually, so in that case you have to tow your truck and go to the dealer, and they do the same procedure and they charge around like $600-700, and this device is only like $525, and you can order online. You can order directly from their website, OTR, or also from the Amazon. It's very easy and simple procedure, and they can ship you within 2 days, as you can see. If you have an automatic transmission, you can do the same procedure. All you have to do is step on the brake, release the parking brake, and hold for like 2 seconds, pull the parking brake, and then you have to put it in a reverse and then put in neutral, and then step off from the brake, and then you plug in the device. Wait for 30 seconds, and the procedure is gonna start within 30 seconds or after 30 seconds, not too long. I will recommend to do it when you are parked after hours, or I mean you're not working, you're not on the road, so you can avoid it on the road. So I would suggest it to do like once a week or so. And you can hear some noises coming out of the truck, like fan is running and all that. I'm just going to step out of the truck and show you what's going on outside. It's not throwing any smoke, but I can smell like a hot smoke and like burning inside. As you can see, the temperature is rising. It was at 170, but it's going high. It's on like 190, on 190, 200. So we don't have to do anything. Just wait till it stops. So don't turn off the truck, don't move the truck, don't do anything. Just let it do its job. So for the same procedure, the dealer is gonna charge us $500 to $600 easy, and the device is not more than $500 to $600. So it's gonna pay itself by just doing it one time, and you can just, if you get stuck on the road, you can easily just go for delivery and finish your job. If there's any problem, let's suppose the procedure stopped before 20 minutes, and then you have to go and get that fixed. But I think you can easily move your truck and finish your job and make it to the shop and let them fix the problem. So I hope it's gonna help you guys, and it's a really good tool to have in your truck. You can easily fix your own problem for the DEF system. I will still recommend it to have it in your truck, better than removing your DEF system. I know some people, they say they don't have any problems after removing it, but I feel there's more problems, more and more problems gonna keep coming related to the DEF system. And I'm gonna show you one of them if I can find it on my other truck, which we removed the DEF system, and the exhaust system gets so hot, and it keeps giving us problems, and more and more issues with the truck, which actually you cannot tell is related to the DEF, but I don't know, I believe that is related to DEF. Alright guys, so it's already like 15 minutes, and I can still see that the procedure is on, and I hear a lot of noises outside. Sometimes the RPM go up, like right now. I don't know if you can hear it. It's like a strange sound coming from the front of engine. Once we do the procedure, it's gonna give us better mileage, and it's gonna run smoother, and we're not gonna have the regen issues when we're driving on the road. So it's better to clean all those filters with the force regen with this little tiny device. It's a 9-pin. Guys, after like 30 minutes, I just noticed few new signs on the dashboard, which is, I think the oil temperature is 212, and engine temperature is almost like 190. It's still at the same place because the fan turns on when it goes above 200. So, and you can still notice the DEF light is on. It's not blinking anymore, but it's on. But I just noticed it's at the low RPM right now, and I think the procedure is over. The temperature is at 180 approximate, and the RPM went down to 600 RPM. The temperature of the oil is 210 right now, and I think it says a DEF temperature or the exhaust temperature. Yes, exhaust temperature is 132 degrees Fahrenheit. So the RPM went down, and I still noticed the exhaust light is still on. So I'm not doing anything. I'm just waiting for it till I see the exhaust light is also off. So I'm not going to hit RPM or do anything. But it took almost like 30 minutes for the whole procedure for this truck. So the average time is like from 20 to 60 minutes, and it took like around 30 minutes. And I still have the device connected, and I still have the light on. So I'm just gonna give it a little bit more time just to make sure that the procedure is completed. I think it's already done because the temperature is going down now. It's around 175 to 180, and the RPM is at 600.